set of real number, and it is defined as fx is equals to greatest integer function x for all x belongs to set of all real numbers. So how this is defined, let us first draw the graph of this function. This graph is, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4 and 5. Here it is -1, -2, -3, -4. So this axis is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is origin. Now let us draw. This graph is in the form of this is -1, -2, -3, -4. So this represents the greatest integer function. How we can define this? Greatest integer function of fx is equals to, for all x greater than equals to -2 and less than -1, the value is always -2. And if fx value for all x greater than -1, greater than equals to -1, less than 0, the fx value will give -1. And if x is greater than 0, greater than equals to 0 but less than 1, the fx value is fixed, that is 0, the left value, the left side of this x coordinate. Similarly, if x is greater than equals to 1 but less than 2, then fx is always equals to 1. Now let us take more. 2 less than equals to x less than equals to 3, fx value is again 2. So we can clearly see that if x lies in an interval, semi-closed interval, the fx value is always taken from the left side. The left side coordinate is the value of fx. Now let us talk about if fx is equals to, or we can say that f is f 0.97. This function, signum function. So this is signum. This is called greatest integer function 0.97. What is the value of this? So clearly we observe this value is always lies between 0 and 1. So the answer is this is 0.97. So answer is again this left coordinate, that is 0. If f is minus 3.7, so in a number line this minus 3.7 is always between -4 and -3. So this is -3.7. So the left value is -4. So the signum function, greatest integer function value will be -4. Similarly, if f of 1.9 is given, so it is greatest integer function 1.9. So 1.9 is always lies between 1 and 2. So the left value is 1. So the greatest integer value of 1.9 is 1. So in this way we can define this. Now let us talk about the domain of this function. Domain is again set of all real number, but the range of this function, range we can observe, this is always positive integer or negative integer. This is always an integer. So this is set of integers. Okay, this is the range of greatest integer function. It is always set of all integers. Thank you.